how to change your Facebook page name. If you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So what is up? This is a very easy tutorial. First, click on your Facebook account and then click on the three lines right here. What we would do is to switch our account to our Facebook page just by clicking on our page right there. So this will take some time for a moment while it is switching. And right now we have successfully switched to our Facebook page. Next is to go to the three lines again at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down, go to settings and privacy, go to settings. After that, what you would do is go to page settings, and in the page settings there is a option here called name. So in here in the name, just type in your desired change name, and after typing, just save it by clicking the button that is called review change. So I hope this tutorial helps, and thank you for watching.